Hey guys, I wanted to show you a couple new ones here. We don't just have GM. We have a couple really nice European models. The Porsche, or the Porsche, if you want to be fancy, is really nice. This is a Cayenne. We got it traded in, really well taken care of. It's a 2016 with about 40,000 miles on it. Check out the inside, it's really cool. This one I'm really excited about though. It's a 2014, 6 years old. This is the nicest 6-year-old car you'll ever see. It's got 80,000 miles on it, tinted windows. It's ready to be just driven right off the lot. Take a look, it's really cool.